Yeah, good morning, students.
Good morning,
Good
sir.
morning, sir.
Yeah, very good morning. Yes, question is complete student, everyone.
So,
And once again, so please, student, our assignment, please submit. Why I mean that marks we have to submit in board.
Okay, sir.
Please, everyone do that work first.
sir.
The assignment marks we have to send. See, if you are sending early, then what happen if you are getting less score or whatever, maybe we will calculate and we'll see. If you are sending late, then you people will face problem. My humble request, first everyone submit the papers. We'll see your papers, your marks. Based on that, anything is there we can. Simply, if you are sitting, what is the use without sending papers? Tell me. If you want good marks, good score, first PUC, marks card if you want to promote from first year to second year, today itself you have to submit. Please think once from your side. If you want marks, if you want good, see from your safety purpose I am telling. Please today itself can submit your assignment papers, all the subject. Then we will promote. And we will give good percentage also. Please submit. Student, please respond.
Okay, sir.
See, for your safety purpose I am telling. See, for example, right now, see your seniors exam cancelled this year. Then what they are telling, both student, both people, you can give marks according to 10th and base first PUC. But bad luck, last year what happened, board exam is there in first year, they are getting very less score. Right now we don't have assignments only we are giving. At least if you are giving before only, then we will submit. Then you will get, for example, if next second year if anything happened, then we will get good score, correct? Still many people you didn't submit. Please students, for your safety purpose I am telling, please submit.
Sir.
Today itself, please submit everyone, all the subject. Then we can see your performance, how it is, where are you, like that. How marks you are getting, what is the percentage, what we have to do in lab marks and everything we will calculate and we will send. If you are giving late, you will submit, then what happened? They can't submit. Then again he has to pay fine. 10,000 or something is a board. Along with that mark list and everything we have to send, correct? For that purpose I am telling, please everyone submit your all the papers.
Yes, sir.
This is it clear, student, everyone?
Yes,
For your safety purpose,
Yes,
I am
sir.
telling. For your safety purpose, I am telling. If you want a good
Yes, sir.
percentage, good marks, okay. See, if you will submit now itself, what happened? According to your name, you will get a second year final list also. You will submit. Where is the center? What is the allotment number they are giving? Roll number where? How they are giving means practical and final examination center. All these things right now only will submit. If you will submit all these things, otherwise, your wish. If you want good percentage, good marks, good place means you can submit. Understood or not?
Sir.
Hello?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, why means second year Narayana just internal only. That is any Narayana, Alan Diksha, Chaitanya, whatever. Maybe. If you want to get good percentage, you want to promote from first year to second year means please today itself submit. Inform your friends also to everyone. Is it clear, everyone?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yeah.
Sir, this is not for CBSE, right?
Board students, I am telling. PU students, PU student. See, already principals are already posted in group, all the groups. In parents WhatsApp group, already he sent all this everything. Please, according to that, again today also meeting is happened. That's why I'm telling you, please. Yes. Next,
Sure.
secondary battery. Please today itself you can submit. Secondary battery. Secondary battery. One. It is one which can be. It is one which can be recharged. Which can be recharged. Which can be recharged by passing current. By passing current. One which can be recharged by passing current. By passing current through it. In opposite side.
Passing current.
Passing current through it. In opposite side direction. In opposite side direction. So that it can be reused. So that it can be reused. Check it. It is one which can be recharged by passing current through it in opposite side direction so that it can be reused.
Which can be recharged, sir.
Reused. Examples. Lead storage battery. Lead storage battery. Nickel cadmium cell. Examples: lead storage battery. Next, nickel cadmium cell. Next, uses. It is used in automobiles and inverters. It is
Automobiles and
it is used in automobiles and inverters. Lead storage battery anode cathode reaction. This is very important. Lead storage battery anode cathode reaction. For 2 marks, most important. When lead reacts with sulfate, gives rise to PbSO4 plus 2 electrons. So you can write here at anode reaction. At cathode reaction, PbO2 lead oxide, SO4 in acidic medium 4H plus 2 electrons gain. You will get PbSO4 plus 2H. PbO 2 to 4, 2H2, 2 oxygens. Overall reaction. What is the overall reaction? These 2 electrons get cancelled. Then Pb plus PbO2 plus here 4 hydrogens is there. 2H2 2 to 4 SO 2H2SO4 use H2 PbSO4 2 PbSO4 plus 2H2O. When lead react with sulfate, you will get lead oxide, sulfate in acidic medium, lead sulfate you will get. What is the overall reaction? Where 2 electrons, here 2 electrons get cancelled. Remaining what is it? PbO2. Here SO4, here SO4, 2 SO4, 4H, 2H2, 4H2. Then 2bSO4 plus 2H2. Is it clear, student? Overall reaction?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
This is most important for 2 marks. 5 marks B they will ask. But last year deleted. But this year we asked. Yes, completed student.
Yes, sir.
Everyone completes?
Yes.
So
Next, fuel cell. What is mean by fuel cell? What is mean by fuel cell? Means, hello students. Next,
Generators.
conversion of combustion energy. Conversion of combustion energy into electrical energy. See, listen student here. What is mean by fuel cell? The conversion of combustion energy into electrical energy is known as fuel cell. Is known as
Electrical energy.
So
the
can
conversion of combustion energy into electrical energy is known as fuel cell. In that fuel cell, they are giving generally diagram. They must listen. Hydrogen, oxygen, fuel cell. They are taking their hydrogen gas, they are sending. They get oxygen. Which one is close? Water. H2O2 or methane they will use. Electrolyte. Students, here they are taking hydrogen, oxygen fuel cells. In this already they are using fuel cell methane like methane CH4 electrolyte. Then it takes two reactions. One is oxidation, second one is reaction. Okay, in that here this is act as cathode. Act as cathode. Oxygen act as cathode. What is the cathode reaction? Next, hydrogen act as anode. What is the anode reaction? Now what happened here? In this anode, how they what is mean by fuel cell, right? Hydrogen, oxygen, anode cathode reaction. What is mean by fuel cell? Right? Hydrogen, oxygen, otherwise H2O2. Anode cathode reaction. First we wait on fuel cell. Hello. Fuel cell definition was after that. Everyone complete the diagram? Hello. Yep, first write definition. Fuel cell. The conversion of combustion energy. The conversion of combustion energy. The conversion of combustion energy into electrical energy. The conversion of combustion energy into electrical energy is known as fuel cell. Electrical energy. The conversion of combustion energy into electrical energy is known as fuel cell. Is known as Yes, sir. Next diagram complete everyone. Diagram complete everyone.
Completed, sir.
Right. Cathode anion reactions. Right. Cathode anion reaction. This is an depends upon my diagram. Then you get 4 OH minus. Then remaining what is there? Say here. 2 to the 4 hydrogen. Here 2 oxygen. Here 2 oxygen. 2 into 2 oxygen 4 OH. Balance next hydrogens. H2 act as anode 2H2 4OH 4H2O. Therefore, hydrogen is there. All oxygen 4 electrons. Yes, is it clear, student?
Yes, sir.
See, we have last overall reaction. Then what is the overall reaction, student? Here 4 electrons is there. Here 4 electrons is cancel. Here 4 valence is there. Here 4 valence. Then remaining what is the student? Here 4 hydrogen 4 water molecules is there. Here 2 water molecules is there. Correct, student? Is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Is one clear or not, student? Then what is the overall reaction? O2. Right here. O2. Downside. 2H2. Use H2. In this 4 minus, in 4 molecule minus 2H2. Then what is that? 2H2. This is the overall reaction. This is the overall reaction. Yes, completed, student.
Completed, sir.
say iron is there, correct? In this iron phase, somewhere can throw it after 3-4 days, will go and see what happened. The iron. Physically, what happened? Any changes are same as it is. Hello, students. Hello. No response.
Yes,
Hello,
sir.
please.
Yes, sir. Sir.
Anshu, right now you are taking one iron pick. In this iron piece, you can throw it somewhere. After 4 days, go and see. Then what happened? Any physical changes are same as it is. It will be there.
Some physical change will happen, sir.
Means what happened? Anything same as it is. Today you are throwing somewhere in campus only you are throwing. After 4 days again you went there. Then same as it will be there or any
Same, sir.
same
So corrosion will take place.
Corrosion.
rusting.
Rusting.
Yes, correct.
Color changes.
Yeah, rusting.
Rust.
Means what happened in the brains of weather in oxygen in atmosphere. Then what happened? It will take reaction. Then you will get rusting. Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yeah. Yes. What is mean by corrosion? Means the natural tendency of conversion of metal into its
Metal oxide.
mineral compound. Metal into mineral compound on the interaction with environment. Interaction with environment. Yes or no, students? The natural tendency of the conversion of a metal into its mineral compound. Its mineral compound on interaction with environment. This is called corrosion. See, for example, this is one iron prism. If you are throwing, then what happened? See, some rusting will happen. In the weather, what happened? Oxygen is there. The interaction with environment, then what happened? It's metal into mineral compound. Yes or no, students? Hello.
Yes, sir.
No responding, nothing. Please
Sir.
respond, student. Is it
Yes,
clear
sir.
or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Sir, it's clear.
No. Corrosion. The natural tendency of conversion of a metal into the natural tendency of conversion of metal into its mineral compound. Its mineral compound. On interaction with the natural tendency of conversion of metal into its mineral compound on interaction with environment. Next point, madam. Iron converts
on interaction with
environment. Iron converts. Next point. Iron converts into iron oxide. Iron converts into iron oxide. This is called rusting. This is called rusting. What is the general formula? Fe2O3 dot X H2. Iron converts into iron oxide is known as or is called rusting. What is the general formula? Fe2O3 dot XH2. Is it clear, student, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, clear or
Yes,
not?
sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See now in environment how it will take oxygen and iron for anode gas or reaction we see. At anode, see at anode, Fe means iron. Then what happen you will get? Fe2 plus you will get 2 Fe2 plus. How many electrons? 4 electrons. Yes, student. F metal into mineral compound. Here neutral state 0 oxygen, here plus 2. Oxidation number, whatever 0 2 plus 2 increases or decreases. Increases, then this is called oxidation reaction. Next, at cathode. At cathode. When oxygen in this environment, oxygen, the presence of assuming what happened here? 4 electrons. Then what will we get here? Two to the 4, 2 H2 will get. Yes, student. Is it clear? See, overall reaction means in this 4 electrons, 4 electrons will cancel. Then the remaining what is there? 2 Fe plus O2 plus 4H plus use raised to Fe O2 plus 4H plus 2 use raised to 2 Fe plus 2 plus 2H2. Is it clear, student?
Yes, sir.
Yes. What are the preventing methods? Preventing methods in rusting?
Painting, sir.
Painting, galvanizing, electroplating.
Galvanizing, tin coating.
Yeah, very good. First one is no painting. Galvanization. Yes, completed, student.
Yes, sir.
Everyone completed, student.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Now electrochemistry chapter over. In this chapter, you should concentrate. First, everyone, based on 3 problems. What are the problems, student? Equilibrium constant, Laplace equation,
Sir,
standard, gives free energy. What
Yes,
are the
sir.
problems? Okay, tell me.
sir, can we submit the assignments in Google Classroom, sir?
Yeah, Google Classroom, I am telling.
Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Please, everyone, Google Classroom only can submit.
Okay, sir.
Then if you submit again, we have to value. Okay, anything is there, we can rectify chances there. Today itself. Otherwise, we can't. Then again, sir, I lose some marks means no one will respond. For your safety purpose, I am telling, but you will face. See, in electrochemistry, you should concentrate first 3 formulas. What are that, student? Hello? Please respond, student.
Yes, sir.
What are that problems? Tell me. Nernst equation, equilibrium constant. This is the 5 mark section. Next, primary battery based on the problems. Sorry. Faraday's first law based on the problems. Is it clear or not?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
So next, chemical kinetics. In this chemical kinetics chapter also, what is the weightage means here? 8 marks. What is the next chapter? This is a very, very important.
Sir, this chapter is over, sir.
Yeah. Chemical kinetics. Chapter 4th chapter, this one. According to textbook. In chemical kinetics chapter. In this also, what is the weightage here? 8 marks. What is the weightage? 8 marks. In this, 1 mark question 1, 2 mark question 1, 5 marks question 1. 1 mark question 1, 2 mark question 1, and 5 marks question 1. Total weight is how much? 8 marks they will ask. In chemical kinetics, what are the concept means? The rate of reactions and factors and the mechanisms. They will discuss in chemical kinetics the rate of reactions and what are the factors and what are the mechanisms involved and what are the first order, zero order, half life, and everything. Very, very important, very, very easy chapter. Okay. It is a branch of chemistry which deals with the rate of reaction. It is a branch of chemistry, which deals with the rate of reaction, mechanism of reactions and factors affecting the rate of reaction. Yes, first write the statement. It is a branch of chemistry, which deals with. It is a branch of chemistry, which deals with the rate of reaction, mechanism of reaction, and factors affecting rate of reaction. Check it. It is a branch of chemistry, which deals with rate of reaction.
We are not able to hear.
It is a branch of chemistry, which deals with rate of reaction. It is a branch of chemistry, which deals with rate of reaction, mechanism of reaction, and the factors affecting the rate of reaction. Next heading, types of reaction.
Sir, your video is off.
Next, types of reaction. First one is very fast reaction. Second one is moderate reaction. Third one is slow reaction. So listen first. Types of reaction. 3 types is there. See, first one is very fast reaction. Second one is moderate reaction. Third one is slow reaction. Yeah, what is mean by very fast reaction? The reaction takes place within the fraction. See, the reaction, it takes place in the fraction of seconds. The fraction of second. Then that is known as very fast reaction. How many types is there? Types of reaction, students? 3 types. What are the? First one is very fast reaction. Second one is moderate reaction. Third one is slow reaction. In this first one is very fast reaction. What is mean by very fast reaction? A reaction which takes place in a fraction of seconds. Fraction of second. Then that is known as very fast reaction. Very fast reaction. Yes, is it clear, student? Hello?
Yes, sir.
No response, nothing from your side. Please respond. Understood or not?
Yes, sir. Understood.
Sir,
Okay, types of reaction. First one we will discuss one by one. See, first one is very fast reaction. What is the very fast reaction definition? The reaction which takes of seconds, fraction of second. Then that is known as very fast reaction. For example, neutralization. You know very well. Neutralization reaction is then in this neutralization, what happened, tell me, students? The best example. Neutralization. I think very fast reaction. Example, neutralization. You can take base. For example, sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. Now, base plus acid. What happens, friend, here? See now, in this OH, HOH, what must
NaCl plus H2.
NaCl, salt will get plus H2. This is example for neutralization, example for very fast reaction. Even precipitation reaction. Precipitation reaction. What are the precipitation reaction? Example, tell me. You know very well, silver nitrate, AgNO3. AgNO3 plus NaCl. Then what happens, student, here? What happens, student, here? Then you will get NaNO3 byproduct. Remaining what is the, student? AgCl is there. Yes, use to AgCl. Arrow mark down. If arrow mark down means what happened? Precipitate. Plus what is the byproduct? NaNO3. NaNO3. These are example for very fast reaction. Neutralization example for very fast reaction. Precipitation reaction for precipitation reaction example for very fast reaction. Yes, student, is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Statement note down. Keep main heading. Types of reactions. Types of reactions. In this first heading, very fast reaction. Very fast reaction. Very fast reaction. Statement read down. The reaction which takes place. The reaction which takes place in fraction of second. The reaction which takes place in fraction of second. The reaction which takes place in fraction of second. Next heading, neutralization. These are example. Neutralization. Write the equation. Precipitation. Example. These two are example for very fast reaction. Kaushik, is it clear? Abhishek, clear? Jivita, Shashadan, Jitesh, V. Ashwin, Arshad Khan, Dakshita. Please respond, student.
Yes, sir. Clear, sir.
Good. Vinay Kumar, Likit HR, Pavitra. Is it clear? Pavitra, Incharati, Rutika, Nandit. Yeah, is it clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Sai Archana, are you there in line?
Yes,
Clear, ma? Nothing is there.
yes, sir.
Within the fraction. Next, moderate reaction means this reaction takes place within the hour. Slow reaction means this reaction takes place long time, years. Yeah. Types of reaction: first reaction, very fast reaction. What are the example? Neutralization and precipitation. Yes, completed, student, everyone.
Yes,
Completed, student, everyone.
yes, sir.
Next, yeah, next heading: moderate reaction. Second type of reaction, moderate reaction. Moderate reaction. Right. The reaction which takes place within hours. The reaction takes place hours. What is the example? Within hours it will take. First one is ester hydrolysis. Example. Ester, not ester. Ester hydrolysis. You know very well, all last class, first year we discussed ester general formula. We are taking general example: CH3, COO, C2H5. Methyl acetate upon hydrolysis. Means what happened means, in this HOH is there, H2O means HOH is there. In this one H attached with here, then C2H5OH. Remaining OH attached with here, then CH3CO become CH3COOH. See, listen, student. CH3CO, this one will be there. HO means
Sir, voice and video is not audible.
See now, CH3CO is H5 plus H2O. In this H2O and H plus OH is there. Now what happened here? In this CH3CO, H attached with here, H attached with here, OH attached with here. CH3COH plus C2H5OH. Is it clear, student? Is it clear or not? Next, second example, inversion of cane sugar. Inversion of cane sugar. Now C12 H22 O11 upon hydrolysis. Then what will get? C6 H12 O6 plus C6 H12 O6. This fructose. Please note down these two examples.
So what is that? Sir? Inversion of corn sugar, sir.
Inversion of cane, CANE. Yes, completed student.
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir.
Yes, okay.
Sir.
Sir. Hello, sir.
Completed.
Sir, one doubt, sir.
Yes, sir.
Sir, C6H12O6, C6H12O6. What is the difference between fructose and fructose, sir?
Both are same only, both are same sugar only. But one is aldehyde functional group, one is ketone functional group. One chapter is organic chemistry, that time deep dive lecture.
Okay, sir.
See, now you can take sucrose formula C12H10O11. Upon hydrolysis, you will get same formula, but product is different. One is glucose, one is fructose. In glucose, aldehyde functional group. In fructose, ketone functional group. That is the difference. Is it clear? Very good
Yes, sir.
doubt. Next, anybody? Next, anybody? Any doubt?
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, good.
Thank you,
Please
sir.
complete.
Thank you, sir.
Students, everyone. These important questions. Okay.